everyone, I'm Eddie B. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell, that way you don't miss any of my videos. Guys, today we're going to Hobby Lobby. First, I'm gonna let you check out what I did last night and why I had only 5 hours of sleep. This may seem like a couple minutes of video, but it's a couple hours. Alright guys, so came back to work in the Volvo finally. Today we're working on putting the seat covers back on. So this is the original dusty blue seat cover. You can take it off if you want, but I'm not gonna take it off. Actually, I'm gonna just put the seat cover that I bought from Classic Volvo Restoration right over the top like I did here. As you can see, I'm gonna flip this over quickly. I gotta pull it tight, and see this, they put staples here, but I'm not gonna do staples. I'm gonna do screws that have like a good washer. I have to pull this tight, screw it on, and then I could do that side, screw it on and through. Once that is complete, hopefully nothing rips, I'm good to go. Now I'm just gonna pull this over here. All right guys, so I know this is not really 100% professional, but this is exactly, guys, the side where it's not going to be seen. So that's where I'm pulling it and screwing it on, as you can see. But now time to screw the rest on, but first I'm going to show you how much I'm screwing in actually. All right guys, so we take one of these screws. It looks like that. Now I couldn't do it for the video, but I made everything very tight and nice. So what I'm gonna do is you make it nice and tight after you secure all your corners. So right here, I'm gonna put the screw. There's a wood going, just like you do on the couch. There's a wood going here, a piece of wood. So you start it up, and you slowly go in until a few clicks. Don't push on all the way, and then you should be good to go. I'd say, guys, this was a very, good job. Look at that right here. As you can see. Whole bunch of screws. And it's very done nicely. I got to do the other one, and then the back seat will be honestly good to go. Just look at it. These screws are holding it back in place. It's not going to go anywhere. So, guys, I've completed this. Now it's perfect. As you can see, that's how it is screwed on the sides here too. So this side there's no wood, so I can't screw on. My only option would be to sew it together, whatever, however pronounce it. But it's not gonna go anywhere because on this side it's screwed on pretty well. So I don't see it coming out anytime soon. So we're gonna be good to go. Okay guys, so working on the passenger seat now. It comes into two pieces, so now I'm just gonna go over the top of that one. Two bolts actually hold it, kind of hard to get to. Sure, so one just goes in on this side, and this side you screw it on. Hey guys, so finished covering all the seats right here. This right here, I have to go to Hobby Lobby for. So this we could staple, but whatever they used back in 1965, these staples obviously did not go through to the other side and make holes. So our only solution is to use hot glue around the whole entire thing. So hopefully that will work. If not, we're gonna have to figure something else out. But obviously this we'll have to put on here and then staple it, and then just use hot glue around. Now you might be asking, why in the world am I not taking this off? Well, first of all, if I take off this blue, this whole structural part of this thing may be gone. And believe it or not, on all my seats I have left the original seat cover on. And why, you might be asking? Simple, very simple, guys. It becomes a very nice tighter fit. So gotta go to Hobby Lobby, buy some stuff tomorrow, and after that, back of the classical car, I'm gonna have to start working on that radio. That's the number one thing we gotta do. So guys, if you checked it out, I was able to put the new seat covers on completely. We had to do a lot of ingenuity. We had to pull them and stretch them together, bolt them in, and at the end we had to put 2 metal rods through the back of the seats so that we could grab some wire and completely tie them around and scratch and like pull them close together. Now I'm going to Hobby Lobby because here's what we need. We need hot glue to glue the outer covers back on the panels. Also what we need is we need some kind of form of leather, because once we put the radio speakers on, that whatever was around the original speakers for the stereo, it was cardboard, so that broke when I was removing the old stereos. So when we're gonna put the new stereos, we still have a kind of like a blueprint. We're gonna make out of like thin piece of material, we're gonna make our own panels around the stereo system, and then we're gonna cover them with leather or some kind of black material to match the color of the car's interior that I'm planning on going on. And what else do we need? We need to also go to Extreme Colors and get a gallon of paint for so I'm gonna paint the wheels eventually, and I need to get some nice shiny black paint. All right guys, got 3 yards of leather for the car. Got a staple gun just to see if that would work instead of glue. Got hot glue, extra staples, and I've also got a spray-on glue, and I've also got, you know, the glue sticks. So that's about time to go. Now I gotta go get a bucket of paint for the wheels. All right guys, so I also got the paint, gloss black for the wheels that I'm gonna paint later on. All right guys, so now gotta show you what I've been working on here. After I came back, installed speakers wherever they had. Those wires could be hidden under carpet and stuff, and installed them down here and there, and ran already color matched it to the proper places. Now, let's see, now I just gotta connect the red and I think it's the red and yellow and black wire, power to well, one of them, negative to negative and power to power or ignition. Gotta cut this out to put the radio, and we should be able to good to go, honestly, afterwards. I'm not even kidding. So it should work right after. Just all this has to be covered with whatever we're gonna use to cover all the wires up. Okay guys, so I was able to hot wire the radio quickly externally, and it did work. All 4 speakers worked. So unfortunately, I'm gonna end the day here. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back or whatnot and get the radio installed, and you know, get it all finished. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving attempt on the 6 Series.